This is Rakesh Rao from DesignSense Software Technologies. First of all, I thank you all for being our valuable customers. This video is specifically about a new orientation of maintenance contracts we are doing to ensure that all your BricsCAD maintenance contracts end on the same day. Now, I'll tell you why this is important. Suppose you are a customer with multiple purchases of BricsCAD which have been made at several different times of the year. For example, you purchased BricsCAD in January, April, July, and then again in November. So, you know that by default, the BricsCAD maintenance contract runs for 1 year. So, each time you purchase BricsCAD, your contract runs for exactly 1 year from the date of purchase. Now, what it means for renewals is that we have to reach out to you 4 or 5 times in a year to enable you to renew your maintenance. Now, this becomes quite an administrative task both for you as well as for us, because we have to remember to send you the quotation 4 or 5 times in a year, and you have to prepare the purchase order also 4 or 5 times in a year. Now, to overcome all this, Bricsys now has a option by which we can align all your maintenance contracts to a single date. Now, how it works is like this. Suppose you have BricsCAD purchased at different times. So, we will choose one single date and align all your contracts to that single date. Now, for ease of convenience, we will choose one of the dates from your existing contracts and align all the other purchases to expire on that date. So, by doing this, we have to reach out to you only once in a year with our maintenance contract proposal, and you have to write your check only once in a year and renew the maintenance for all your BricsCAD licenses at once. However, there is a small calculation to be done to make this happen. Since the BricsCAD license maintenance renewal charges are for 1 year, in this case, we will have to add an additional 2 months, 3 months, 4 months or 10 months, whatever is the pro rata period to your maintenance contract. So, if you are paying, let us say, 7,500 rupees per year for your light maintenance renewal, now for an additional 3 months, you may have to pay 25% more, because 3 months is 25% of the year, 1/4. So, you will have to pay something like 9,500 or something like that. So, we will work this arithmetic out for you and give you a quote which will align all your licenses to one single date, and the amount that you see in the quotation will be based on this extra few months which will be added to ensure that all your contracts will expire on one single date. Now, in the shorter run, this is a bit of an exercise for you and for us, but in the longer run, from next year onwards, it will be streamlined, because you have to only renew your BricsCAD maintenance once in a year. I hope I have made this clear to you as to why we are doing this and how it's going to be beneficial both for you and for us. If you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to me, and we will be glad to answer them for you. Thank you for watching this video.